Hi, to set work profile on Samsung Galaxy S25, go in phone settings and here find desktop modes and routines. After that, scroll down and choose to add mode and then simply select work and now hit start button. So you can turn this mode on manually anytime, and it will also turn on automatically if any of these conditions you select below are met. So choose either place or time period or skip this one. Let's tap time period. Choose time manually. For example, from 7:30 a.m. to 12, like this. Or we can enable to run it all day. After that, choose repeat every week, or maybe add some days by tapping them, every month, and here select, or every day and tap done. Now let's tap next, and here we can enable D&D mode for work mode. So you can also customize it, go in calls and messages and add some exceptions. The same for notifications. Simply add apps from which notifications will be allowed and tap done. And now choose what to do in work mode. For example, let's pick part saving to turn it on and also tap done. And this is how it looks now. You can tap on other actions and add something else. And in stay focused, you can restrict app usage. And also you can change appearance when this mode would be enabled. For example, so it will look like that. And you can tap on three dots and then set duration, of course. And also you can delete it. And to manually turn on right now, just tap blue button. And this is how it will look now. To turn off, just tap this button, turn off. Additionally, you can go back in main settings. In here, find your Google tab. Then tap all services, scroll all the way down and find set up your work profile. So here you can read about it, tap next, and you need to scan or enter the code provided by your IT admin, just right here, or enter code manually to set it up. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.